enjoy Dainius practice. From DVD book you will not learn such more like from you, Irinas. You can read book, watch DVD, but the most results you will get from Alphaman trainings. But Dainius, we must say that book DVD also is good for basic knowledge, but the most results you will get in the trainings. Yes, but trainings are better than book or DVD. Guys, if you read book or watch DVD, you must do everything that the author said. I strongly recommend to do everything that author said in book or DVD. Yes, Ernest, but writer will not write everything, and trainings are best. He have dominated me. Yes, Dainius. Yes, this guy have dominated you. This our male of group have dominated you. Yes, Irinas, and girls become less and less interested. I wanted to connect with him and to be partners, but he told, and it was very difficult. But we must watch it, the process. You approach it, started conversation with group where is our alpha male. That is good.
She makes me go, She make me feel right, make me feel high, make me go boom like dynamite. She make me can fly, take me so high, make me feel like me a touch on the sky, stand up on the rest and book up.
This is a perfect example for Dainius. Gerard approached it and started conversation.
Spin it and turn it, seems so you earn it. Now you know the game begun. Bring that body, come give me, girl.
Dainius saw everything he must to get good results. We make feel more and more interested with girls. At practice I noticed that I must show real good alpha man behavior for Dainius. Real examples are the most valuable thing at training. That is the reason why training changes people, while seminars not. You cannot change in the seminar. You can only get knowledge, but you will never see how it works in reality. If you want to change your lifestyle and become an alpha man, it is the only way. Go for alpha man training. If you go for other training, ask yourself, is your teacher an alpha man? Ask yourself, how looks like his followers or students? What the results we get? Do not believe in written testimonials. They are fake. Instead of that, watch followers' results on video. If you hesitate about competence a little bit, then do not go. Why? If your teacher is not successful to change another person, it means you will not change at his courses. The best teachers are those who have best results of their followers. My team is the best. If I will be with my friends, you also will see other examples. You will get knowledge about women, their life, and their psychology. Once you will become more and more good at understanding women and real alpha man behavior, you will seduce hot, attractive, high-value women. You must prepare that we will raise your confidence till enormous level.